subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new affordable 5G phone called Realme 8 5G in India after Thailand. Talking about the specifications, the Realme 8 5G features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 90.5% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Realme 8 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses an 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.5 by 74.8 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme 8 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 28th in supersonic black and supersonic blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme 8 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.